Good afternoon. Today's topic is going to be self-love when we do the guided journey. So we're going to start by dialing into our heart centers. Take a very deep breath, drop into your body, into this heart. Just notice what happens to your shoulders as you breathe in and down. Notice if your head gives any kind of resistance to dropping in. And breathe deeper and slower. And find that well of appreciation and gratitude that you have in your heart for something. It can be something little, something big, doesn't matter. And just breathe into that sacred space of gratitude, that sacred thank you. And infuse your entire body with this energy of gratitude, this energy of the heart. And then direct it up into your head, into your brain. And just notice heart energy and brain energy pinging back and forth. And notice when they come into harmony. And invite this energy to travel throughout your body and around your body and broadcast out into the field as your offering of harmony and gratitude and peace. And as we continue the breathing and the journey, find yourself somewhere in nature or wrapped in a blanket on a couch, whatever you prefer. Just find yourself feeling very comfortable. And I'm going to bring to consciousness a teaching by a scientist I was listening to this morning on YouTube, who said that all reality in the third dimension where we live is based on frequency and sound. And one of the things that makes and creates sound in our lives are the thoughts in our heads. So we're going to tune into our most favorite sabotage shadow. The one that could be the loudest or it could be the quietest. It's the one that when we reflect back on what's going on in our life, we can see or sense that this one, this thought, created a reality in the third dimension. broadcast up into the field. So just note your favorite shadow. And notice how you react, respond to this shadow. What emotional state, how your body resists or embraces. And if the response is anything other than love, pretend that shadow is a very young, scared baby animal that is looking for love from you. And that harmony that we started with in the beginning, shine that light on this shadow. And allow the light of the love to break up the dissonance in this frequency of shadow. You're making friends with it. In the darkness of a perceived shadow, as you're feeling into it and looking at it, there's always gold. There's always a rainbow. And as you breathe and as you sit in this place of self-love, anything attached to the shadow that's not yours and not you drops away. Any societal messages, anything out there that makes the shadow bigger than you are, drops away. And you pick this little animal up in your arms. And bring it to your heart center. And allow that resonance of gratitude that went from heart to head to go from heart to head and to the shadow. And for just a few moments, as the music plays, feel what it feels like to be in a state of love for yourself and your perceived shadows. And broadcast that into the field. So gently bring your attention back to your body, your mind, and the room that you're in. And notice that this shadow is integrated. And it can become an ally now. So breathe into that space. come fully back into the room with your eyes open and your fingers and toes wiggling. And take a deep breath. And welcome back. I'll see you next week.